world is getting smaller and more of us are traveling to distant and remote places. When we travel, one of our biggest challenges is how to guarantee that the water we are drinking is safe. There are currently dozens of personal water filters and filter bottles on the market that claim to solve this issue. The problem is that water filters only trap bacteria and cysts that then remain in the filter and continue to live and multiply. This can add up to a major health concern. In addition, water filters do not eliminate or even trap waterborne viruses that are really the biggest concern of all. To be truly protected from bacteria and viruses, water must be purified, not just filtered. Meet Pure2Go, the most advanced, unique, and multifunctional true water purifier in the world. Pure2Go kills bacteria and viruses instantly, on contact and on demand, while also completely eliminating waterborne cysts such as crypto and giardia. There is absolutely no waiting time or preparation required. As contaminated water passes through Pure2Go, it is purified instantly, without the holding time or procedures other true water purifiers require. Pure2Go can be used by one person or multiple users. With cleanable and replaceable insert cartridges, it can be used over and over again for many years, and more importantly, it can be stored for long periods without the same danger posed by filters. How did we come up with this design? Over nearly half a century, Water One has provided ultra-pure water to science and industry and premium bottled drinking water to customers throughout the world. An industry innovator, we developed a proprietary water purification media, ViroBac, that kills bacteria and viruses on contact and on demand. So why is this different? Pure2Go's insert cartridges provide 3 tiers of filtration and purification. With a flow rate of up to 16 ounces per minute, contaminated water undergoes 3 separate filtration and purification steps, ensuring the water is completely safe to drink with no danger from any pathogens, including viruses. The Pure2Go comes in 2 convenient packages. First, the Pure2Go Traveler's Kit. It fits in a small travel pouch that takes up minimal space in any suitcase or backpack. Inside comes a 27-ounce collapsible water bottle that screws directly into the Pure2Go. The second package option is the Pure2Go Kit. Like the Traveler's Kit, it includes a collapsible water bottle and a purifying filter, but also a lot more. The Go Kit also contains a 2-liter gravity feed water bag, a hand pump suitable for water or air, and lots of other accessories for incredible versatility. Pure2Go can even adapt in line with hydration backpacks. Now, we may not be the most well-known producer of water purifiers yet, but we are confident that with the Pure2Go, we have made the most advanced, unique, and multifunctional true water purifier in the world. We invite you to join us on our business journey to bring Pure2Go to global markets and to continue our research, development, and independent testing. Whether it is the Pure2Go Traveler's Kit or our multifunctional Pure2Go Kit, Pure2Go is the only personal water purifier you will ever need.
Meet the next generation of fire with the Camp Stove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Camp Stove 2 provides 50% more power than the Camp Stove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Camp Stove 2.
In this fast-paced mobile world, access to power is no longer simply an option, but a necessity. PowerFilm has been in business for nearly 3 decades, perfecting solar solutions and exceeding the needs of businesses, custom orderers, and military markets. PowerFilm is meeting these changing power demands with the launch of the Saber Max. The Saber Max features a state-of-the-art roll-out thin-film solar panel in an incredibly compact design. Other chargers on the market are heavy, bulky, fragile, and lack energy storage. Loaded with 15,600 milliamp hours of power, the Saber Max is ideal for charging a variety of devices, including higher draw electronics like laptops, camping lights, and drones. Its weight and compact design make it easy to bring with you anywhere.
The Innova T10R rechargeable tactical flashlight and power bank is, simply put, the most versatile high-performance light on the market. Brighter than your average car headlights combined, at 3,500 lumens, the T10R has the ability to project a beam over a quarter mile and features unheard of run times. It is truly a precision high-performance pioneer in the flashlight industry. Ideal for tactical situations, search and rescue crews, outdoor enthusiasts, and other high-intensity work environments. The heavy-duty, precision-machined, aerospace-grade aluminum body is shock-proof, crush-proof, and water-resistant to handle anything you throw at it. The tactical mid-body switch activates 5 different modes: high, low, SOS, strobe, and a variable dim, allowing you to choose the perfect light intensity. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack powers a light at 3,500 lumens for 6 hours, or at 200 lumens for 95 hours, and recharges in 6.5 hours by simply unscrewing the head to reveal this port and plugging in the AC adapter. This LED readout panel lets you keep an eye on how much power you have left. What really makes this light unique is the power bank feature. Using the USB adapter, the impressive 14,000 milliamp hour output allows you to recharge your USB devices from the T10R many times over. Included in the T10R's durable carrying case, you'll also get an AC power supply and international plug adapters, the power bank USB adapter, and a stainless steel No. 3 S-beaner for clippability. With the Innova T10R rechargeable tactical LED flashlight and power bank, you'll be prepared for whatever the night throws at you.
This is the Freescape Small Lantern. It features free touch technology, a capacitive touch ring that fires up the lantern with a gentle tap. Tap and hold to dim and brighten the output to your desired level. It sheds light from the bottom of the lantern as well as through the frosted side lens, for use both above the camp table and on it. The sturdy base is solid on uneven surfaces, and the spring-loaded handle makes it simple to suspend overhead. The power kill functionality prevents batteries from draining while stored. Its IPX4 rating for water resistance means it'll shine on through all kinds of weather. An asset in any camping kit, this is the Freescape Small Lantern.